Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about how to install a Windows 10 operating system in VMware. Go to the browser and search for Windows 10 ISO file. Here you see many links. Get into www.itechics.com. I'll give the link in the description below. Here inside this web page, just slide down and click on this tab. And here you click on the Windows 10. Now the latest version is 21HZ 64-bit and it's 5.5 GB. Just download that ISO file. I've downloaded it earlier, so I'm not downloading it again. You just download the ISO file and then go into the VMware. Here, go to create new virtual machine and then typical, next, and then here we want to select the ISO file. Just select installer disk image and then give browse. After giving browse, go to the folder where you have installed the Windows 10 ISO. Most probably for you it will be in downloads. After selecting the location of the ISO file, give next. And here we don't need to enter any product key. And also for virtual Windows there is no product key. So here I am selecting Windows 10 Home. Now I am giving the username as test and the password is also test. Now give next. Then here we are giving the name for our virtual machine. I am calling it as Mr. Windows. And here we are selecting the location where we want to install a virtual machine. In the last situation, we have chosen the location of the ISO file. We have selected the ISO file, but here we are telling the VMware to install in this location. So I'm creating a new folder where I wish. So I'm going to install this virtual machine in this folder. Just click on OK after selecting the location and give next. Here we can allocate the space for our virtual machine. The minimum virtual disk size for Windows should be 60. You can give as much as you want and then select split disk into multiple files and then give next. Here, if you wish to customize your hardware, you can do that. You can give as much as RAM your desktop supports. You should give 1/2, half of the RAM from your host system at maximum level. For example, I have 32 GB RAM, so I can give 16 GB of maximum. If you have 8 GB RAM, you can choose 4 or 2. And based on your processor, number of core processors in your desktop, you can choose the process. After that, give finish. Now the disk is being created. Now here our Windows machine is created. Now we want to install the Windows. It boots up like this. For me, this time it didn't ask me for any languages, But before this, it will ask for the language and which type of install you want to do. You should select custom install if it asks for, and you can give any language you need. Now the setup is run and the Windows will be installed. After installing this, the Windows will reboot again. It will ask for Cortana and other sign-in options. You can sign in into your Microsoft account and start using your Windows. As I've done already, I'm exiting this process. In the next tutorial, we will learn about how to boot Kali Linux in a virtual machine.